So guys, this was the second last day of Formula 1 Singapore Grand Prix 2019, where I was also interviewed for an F1 special as I spoke about my experience with Singapore's night racing. Salman and I also got an opportunity to groove to a magical live performance by none other than Rajakumari.
Never underestimate the cheat. You hurry the cheat. I'm up and up. We don't want no problems with you. Clear the scene now. Rolling with the team, we supremes now. Really make me wanna plan a scheme out. With the universe, can you feel the vibration? Your frequency is sync with the universe. Can you feel the vibration? Sound wave coming off the earth and your third eye is awake. No time for your whole squad. Ties on the boulevard.
So guys, सिंगापुर में मुंबई का इंडिया का तड़का लग रहा है. फिलहाल हम हैं the Queen of India, Rajakumari. Yes, जी हाँ, and she's been extremely sweet because this was like a last minute kind of a thing. But she's been really, really sweet, and I just told her that we need more women like her to speak to all the youth, to speak to all the young girls out there, because if there is anyone that is self-made, it's Rajakumari. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart, like your songs strike a chord. And I'm sure like there's so many of us from Bombay, from India, that look up to her. And what better way to kickstart Formula One than to bring in a flavor of India. So, so if you haven't checked her out yet, go check her out on YouTube, hit Rajakumari. And what do you have to say to all your Indian fans? I mean, especially today, I saw the energy was insane.
The love that I feel from my fans in India and my fans around the world, honestly, I can't compare it to anything else. It feels so good. Honestly, I dreamt about this as a child. I was like, I want my music to take me around the world and to be able to perform here today in Singapore and have people in the front row knowing the words to my songs.
I've danced.
Oh my gosh, she was dancing the whole time. I was like, yeah, girl, you better get it. It feels so great. There's nothing better, no better feeling in the world.
And I truly feel like you deserve the world, because if we need more self-made women like her, that every dark cloud has a silver lining, and you're a real example of how to go get it. So kudos to Rajakumari for killing it at Formula One in Singapore. We love you, girl.
Thank you so much.
गाइस, हमारा ऑफिशियली आज सिंगापुर में डे 5 है, और क्योंकि कल हम रात लेट आए थे, वी वर पार्टिंग द नाइट अवे एट मरीना सैंड्स बे एट द सिलावी लाउंज ऑन द 57th फ्लोर, soaked in some amazing beautiful Singaporean views. और फिलहाल हम जहाँ पर है जिस रेस्टोरेंट में, इन बोटैनिकल गार्डन्स, इसका नाम है हालिया. And let me tell you, this is one place that serves complete halal food. So you know where to go when you're looking for some halal authentic food here in Singapore. A beautiful botanical garden views in the background, and you can make a nice day out of it.
Zero Latency Gaming took our F1 experience to another level with their virtual reality and immersive gaming experience. Salman and I thoroughly enjoyed the experience, and we rocked the top scores, and I highly recommend you try this at least once when you're in Singapore.
तो गाइस हम फिलहाल बुगीज विलेज में हैं और ये जो मार्केट आप देख रहे हैं इट्स कॉल्ड बुगीज मार्केट और दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग एरियाज in Singapore, and we also have shopped our hearts out. I've actually gotten some great deals here, and if you two are looking to bargain, if you two want some sweet deals and to shop at the best, lowest cost, then this is your place to be, shopping at its best, street shopping in Singapore.
Finally, the finale is upon us, guys, where we are two excited F1 bunnies. So let's do this together. I just couldn't believe that Fatboy Slim performed live just before the racing began. Sitting by the Grand Pandal stage, seeing all the supercars blaze past us was one thrilling and unforgettable experience. So after experiencing all the high-octane action of the night racing, guess who performed next? That too live.
So, guys, like all good things come to an end, Singapore Grand Prix 2019 officially is over today as we saw the finale right here at Marina Street Circuit. And oh my god, like you know, the times when you see this on TV, nothing compares to what you experience here in person. We were seated at the Padang Grandstand, which has amazing uninterrupted views, and from corner we can actually get like 180-degree views of the circuit and the entire stand. Oh my god, like I am dead tired, but something inside me wants to keep going because we experience the best of food that Singapore has to offer, along with entertainment and so many VR gaming options. Also, it is even more special because me and Salman got to be a part of Red Hot Chili Peppers and Fatboy Slim's live performance right here at Marina Sands Bay. And I'm going home with such a happy high. Also, the first two spots were snatched and taken away by Ferrari. And Lewis Hamilton sadly stood fourth. It was surprising because the last two times that he was a part of the Marina Bay Street Circuit, he has always bagged the first spot. But over and all, a big thank you to Singapore Tourism Board, Team STB, for making me and Salman a part of this grand Singapore Grand Prix 2019 experience. And I so hope that you guys enjoyed the journey as much as we did. With that, this is the last part of our Singapore Grand Prix 2019 experience. Until next time, guys.